Bike you will not die for ride.
This Ducati doesn't exist, but it should. Meet the future. The Ducati Diavolo V4R. A 1,200 cubic centimeters V4 monster, pushing 240 horsepower of pure aggression. Active aerodynamic wings, built to slice through air at insane speeds. Carbon fiber body, forged wheels. MotoGP DNA in every line. 0 to madness in seconds. Top speed, over 350 kilometers per hour. An intelligent riding brain that learns you. Every throttle twist, smarter than before. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's fear, engineered. Would you ride it?